Audi is preparing to enter a new chapter in its electric vehicle journey with the upcoming Audi A2 e-tron, and the company is already building serious anticipation ahead of the official reveal in fall 2026. The new model is expected to become Audi's most affordable electric vehicle while still carrying the premium feel the brand is known for. Early prototype testing is already happening across Europe, giving enthusiasts a closer look at what could become one of the most important compact electric cars in Audi history. The original Audi A2 was one of the most unusual vehicles the company ever built. It focused heavily on lightweight engineering and efficiency long before electric mobility became mainstream. Now Audi is bringing the A2 name back for the electric era, but this time the mission is much bigger. The new A2 e-tron is designed to attract younger buyers and customers looking for a premium electric vehicle without moving into the larger and more expensive sport utility vehicle category. Audi says the prototype is currently being tested in some of the harshest winter environments in Scandinavia. Engineers are pushing the vehicle through snow-covered roads, icy surfaces, and frozen lakes to fine-tune the electric drivetrain and chassis systems. Extreme cold weather testing remains one of the most important parts of electric vehicle development because battery efficiency and thermal management can dramatically change in freezing temperatures. The company is also carefully adjusting the interaction between the suspension, braking systems, and electric motors to deliver the driving feel Audi customers expect. Even though the A2 e-tron is expected to be positioned as an entry-level model, Audi clearly wants it to maintain the refined and stable character associated with the brand. One of the most interesting parts of the development process involves aerodynamic testing in Audi's advanced wind tunnel facility in Ingolstadt. The new compact hatchback appears to feature a sleek roofline and smooth body surfaces designed to maximize efficiency and driving range. Engineers are testing airflow at speeds reaching 300 kilometers per hour while also studying noise levels and cooling performance. These details may not be immediately visible to buyers, but they play a major role in improving real-world range and cabin comfort. Audi is also evaluating the car on public roads throughout Bavaria. The winding roads and changing elevation in the Altmühl Valley region allow the company to test how the A2 e-tron behaves in everyday driving conditions. This includes everything from tight corners and rough pavement to highway cruising and urban traffic situations. The goal is to make sure the compact electric hatchback feels comfortable and natural, whether someone is commuting daily or taking longer trips. Production of the new A2 e-tron will take place in Ingolstadt, Germany, reinforcing Audi's continued investment in European manufacturing and electric vehicle production. The company has already launched a large number of new vehicles over the past 2 years, but Audi believes the A2 e-tron could help expand its reach even further by introducing more buyers to premium electric mobility. Although Audi has not yet released full technical specifications, expectations are already growing around range, charging speed, interior technology, and pricing. Many buyers are hoping the A2 e-tron will combine compact dimensions with advanced technology and strong efficiency, creating a practical electric hatchback capable of competing with the next generation of premium electric compact cars. The timing could also work in Audi's favor. Demand for smaller electric vehicles is increasing as more drivers look for practical urban transportation with lower operating costs. While large electric sport utility vehicles continue to dominate headlines, there is growing interest in compact premium electric cars that are easier to park, lighter, and more efficient. With its combination of modern styling, advanced aerodynamics, European production, and Audi branding, the new A2 e-tron could become one of the most talked about electric vehicle launches of 2027. The camouflage may still hide many details, but the early signs suggest Audi is preparing something far more important than just another compact hatchback.